So we couldn't go to work today because it was raining. Fiona! Still busy on TikTok and wait. And we tried to come to the beach, you know, but valió verga también aquí. Check it out. A rainy fucking day in LA. What the fuck is all this shit? Look at that. What are they giving out? Man. What is all this shit? On a rainy fucking day. Oh mames, güey, está con madres ahora sí la lluvia. Well, the beach is now nice and clean, like.
Oh, he's up in
I doubt it. You still want to mob it or what?
Oh, yeah.
On the rain?
We're gonna give it like 5 minutes so it can stop.
Wow, give it what 5 minutes? It's pouring, look. So, nobody's charging the free parking today.
You tell me that phone cold.
I thought you said he's buff. You want to say he's attracted to men now.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. So Fiona wants to jump out. Should we? Yes or no?
Yes.
You want to jump out, Fiona?
Yes.